Hey folks, welcome to another training video. Today we'll be looking at the link check gadget, which we can use to easily see which links are broken on a given page. Let's travel to a page in OU Campus so we can see it in action. Okay, so here I am viewing a page in OU Campus. As you may already know, I do have the ability to run a link check at any time through the page check feature in OU Campus. Let's run one on this page right now, for example. As we can see, it looks like we indeed do have a few broken links on this page. However, even when viewing the report, it's not readily apparent where those links are on my page. If I have access to the source code editor, I then might be able to find out where some of those links are located, but only if they're dependency tags. For broken external links, we don't have a way besides manually checking each link on the page to see which links correspond to the URLs that we see are broken. Well, that's where the link check gadget comes in handy. This gadget will check all the links on the page and then graphically represent which ones are broken. It naturally follows then that this gadget will only appear in the sidebar when we're previewing or editing a page. Let's open up the link check gadget on our page here and click the Find Broken Links button. The gadget will run, and then eventually it will highlight the links on the page that are broken while also listing them in the gadget by the text that is actually hyperlinked. We can toggle the highlighting on and off with this Remove Highlight button here at the bottom of the gadget. So first, let's see what we can learn about these links within the gadget. Clicking on a link will tell me more information about that one in particular, its URL, status on staging and production, and the associated HTTP status code. Secondly, you can also see these two icons near the top of the gadget. The message icon allows me to send a report of the broken links to any user inside my OU Campus account. This is useful for when you may not have permission to edit an area of a page where a broken link resides, so you can easily notify someone who does have that permission. The second icon is a refresh icon, which just reruns the link check on the current page. If I'm working on resolving some of the broken links with the gadget still open, this is the easy way I can check my progress as I go along. Let's say I want to fix some of the links that have appeared in my main content region. I can just enter the main content region, travel to this first baseball link, and then edit it really quickly. This was just an example link that I had here, so it can be deleted as opposed to being repaired. Then, on the soccer link, it appears that I'm pointing to an internal page that's been deleted. Even though this link is using a dependency tag, it will still show up in the report in the same way as an absolute URL will. This gadget does not discriminate between the types of links it scans. After I've fixed these two links, I can refresh my gadget right away before I even save and exit the WYSIWYG. Once the gadget finishes refreshing, we should see the updated list of broken links, which should only be the cross-country one I didn't fix in this example. Notice also that if I'm running the gadget while I'm editing a specific region on my page, the gadget will only return results for the links inside that region. I still have a broken link to soccer inside my side nav, but it doesn't appear here because the side nav is not editable in my current view, since I'm in the main content region and the WYSIWYG editor. Now, I'll save the region and go back to my page preview. The last thing I want to mention about the gadget is that it will check the entirety of the previewable page when it runs. This means that areas of the page being included or brought into the PCF from an external file, such as the side navigation, may show up in the gadget even if the content resides in another file. In my example here, that's not a big deal because I have an editable region where I can still adjust the content of the side nav. But for other implementations, that ability may not exist, so you may have to go to the side nav include file directly and fix the link there. That's why you may have noticed that the link check from within page check initially only showed 3 broken links, but my gadget showed 4. Page check can't look into the side navigation file because that data doesn't physically reside in the file I'm currently viewing, but the gadget can. Alright folks, that basically covers everything you need to know about the link check gadget. Here's a recap. First of all, the gadget resides in the sidebar and is visible only when viewing or editing a page. The gadget will check your entire page for broken links and highlight them in the page preview so you know exactly where you need to go to fix them. You can send a report of the gadget scan to any other user in OU Campus. And finally, you can rerun the gadget on demand to check your work as you make your fixes. That's all we've got for today, folks. Thanks for watching.